You know that there is that parable of 3 talents. How many talents? 5, 2 and 1. So similarly, when you go for masters, MTH studies, the strength of the student level goes down. It is not like 20 or 40 or 50. So one of my teachers says he had only 3 students. And he was going out for some kind of a seminar for 10 days. So he called all the 3 and he looked at the smartest student and he said, I am giving you 5 questions. In the next 10 days, you have to have that assignment, 5 questions. The other student, he gave 2 questions. The other student, he gave only 1 question. He said, I'll go for 10 days outing. When I come back, please complete the assignments. So when he returned, the student with the 5 questions came to him and said, Sir, you gave 5. And when I looked at it, I have 5 more questions. My teacher said, excellent, great. Because a student should have more questions. It should be inquisitive. You should ask questions. Socratic methodology is questioning only. Questions are objective. Answers are subjective. Because answers, it differs. It's based on interpretation. But questions can be asked. That's why we as a teachers only ask questions. Right? Kuryajan, there was a faculty called KJ Samuel. You remember? So he used to tell me, Bhagyan sir, why you waste your time in correcting? Just to throw. Whichever falls first. That is the heaviest answer to me. So 5 questions, student came and said, Sir, 5 more questions. He said, very good, I'll give you A+. The second student came and said, Sir, you gave 2 questions. I also have the same problem. He said, that is good, get it. But the one question student came and said, Sir, you gave 1 question. If I look at it, I may have some problem. If I have some problem, you may have some problem. So sir, I kept it out. I didn't even look at it. So my teacher said, he called the other 2 students. He said, come, bind him. Bind this fellow, throw him to the church. Let him be a bishop.